Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever thought about building a website but felt totally lost? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing my experience with a Fiverr gig that promises to teach you step-by-step how to build a stunning WordPress website in 2024. From choosing the right tools to creating a fully functional, professional-looking site, this tutorial had it all. But did it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's be real. In 2024, if you don't have a website, you're missing out. Whether it's for your blog, business, or personal brand, having a website is essential. I've always been intimidated by web design, coding, hosting, plugins. It's like a foreign language. So I decided to turn to Fiverr and found this gig that promised to teach me everything in a full WordPress tutorial. The reviews were glowing, and it looked like the perfect solution for beginners like me. This gig promised to cover everything: choosing a domain and hosting, installing and setting up WordPress, customizing the site with themes and plugins, building pages like About Contact and even an online store, SEO optimization and site security tips. And the best part? It was tailored for beginners with zero coding required. They even offered live support via Zoom for a hands-on experience. Step 1. Setting up hosting and domain. The seller guided me through picking the best hosting provider based on my budget and needs. We linked my domain in just a few clicks. It was so much easier than I expected. Step 2. Installing WordPress. They showed me how to install WordPress in a few minutes, explaining the difference between self-hosted and managed WordPress options. They even shared pro tips for avoiding common beginner mistakes. Step 3. Choosing a theme. This was where the fun started. They helped me pick a sleek modern theme that was perfect for my niche. They also taught me how to customize it, changing colors, fonts, layouts, and even adding animations. Step 4. Plugins made easy. They introduced me to must-have plugins like Elementor for drag-and-drop design, Yoast SEO for optimizing content, WP Forms for creating contact forms, and WooCommerce for building an online store. They also explained which plugins to avoid to keep my site running smoothly. Step 5. Building pages and menus. With their guidance, I built my home, about, services, and contact pages in no time. They taught me how to create menus and submenus that made my site super user-friendly. Step 6. SEO and security basics. They went above and beyond by explaining the basics of SEO and showing me how to secure my site with SSL, backups, and spam protection. Now my website is not only functional but also optimized for success. The end result? A professional, fully functional website that looks like it was built by a pro. Even better, I now have the skills to update and manage it myself. What blew me away was how they made everything. They explained things in simple terms, so I was never overwhelmed. Plus, they gave me tips for making my site future-proof with the latest 2024 trends. Hands-on learning. It wasn't just a generic tutorial. I felt like I had a personal tutor guiding me. Customizable tips. They tailored their advice to my goals and niche, which made the site feel beginner-friendly. Even if you've never touched WordPress, they make it feel like a piece of cake. The gig came with 3 options: basic, perfect for those who just need help setting up WordPress. Standard includes setup and design guidance for a professional-looking site. Premium, a full A to Z tutorial plus live Zoom support. I went for the premium package, and honestly, it was worth every penny. It saved me time, money, and a ton of frustration. Would I recommend this Fiverr gig? Absolutely. Whether you're a small business owner, blogger, or someone looking to build an online store, this tutorial gives you the tools to succeed. The seller was patient, knowledgeable, and made the entire process enjoyable. Plus, the live support was a total game changer. It's like having a coach cheering you on. If you're ready to finally build your dream website, check out the Fiverr gig linked below. Let me know in the comments if you try it or if you have questions about getting started. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and here's to building something amazing in 2024. I'll see you in the next video. Happy website building.